It's another upgraded Apple computer. You wouldn't believe it. Although it's been used for many years, it still handles work without any pressure. The owner, wanting to use it for a few more years, decided to send it here to give it a major upgrade. After the upgrade, opening the cover, the inside is quite clean. Disconnecting the power, we begin the upgrade. Disconnect all the cables connected to the motherboard. Remove the motherboard and remove the protective cover. This allows us to see the RAM. Heating up the air blower. Removing these 4 2GB RAM chips. Since these RAM chips are soldered to the motherboard, the process is a bit more complicated. After the process, we install 4 4GB RAM chips. OK. Sound effects omitted. After soldering, we install them back. Let's see if it boots up. Patiently waiting for the progress bar to complete. Entering the desktop, we see the RAM is now 16 GB. Next, we'll replace the hard drive. Then this computer upgrade is complete. Upgrading the hard drive is much simpler, just unplug it. Then plug in the new one, and the upgrade is done. Next, tighten all the screws. Sound effects and nonsensical words omitted. Connect the power and test the boot. Before reinstalling the back cover, we clean it. Sound effects and nonsensical words omitted. Numbers omitted. After booting up, we can see the hard drive space is now in TB.